Good morning, children. This is Seema Prabhakaran. We'll continue with our Civics lesson number 3, Functioning of the State Government. Today we'll begin with Term of Vidhan Sabha. The tenure or term period of Vidhan Sabha is 5 years. Hence, state elections for the Vidhan Sabha are held every 5 years. In case of a constitutional breakdown, the governor can dissolve the Vidhan Sabha even before its tenure. This can be done if the MLAs bring a no confidence motion against the ruling party or the coalition. Next heading is Vidhan Parishad. The Vidhan Parishad is also known as the Legislative Council. The members of the Legislative Council are appointed for a 6-year term. Some of the members of the council are elected by MLAs, local bodies, teachers, and graduates. Some are nominated by the governor. The nominated members are usually people renowned in fields such as art, literature, etc. In order to become a member of the council, a person has to be a citizen of India and about 30 years of age. The Legislative Council is headed by a chairman who is elected by the members. He is assisted by a deputy chairman. Every 2 years, 1/3 of the members of the council retire and fresh members are elected. Thus, the Legislative Council is a permanent house. The size of the Legislative Council differs from state to state. It depends on the total strength of the Legislative Assembly of a state. A Legislative Council cannot have more than 1/3 of the total number of members in the Legislative Assembly. It also cannot have less than 40 members. Next heading is Legislation. The Legislative Assembly has greater powers than Legislative Council. First point, it makes laws and gets them implemented by the government. Second, it debates on important issues concerning a state. MLAs can express their opinions and question the government on any issue. Third, any decision that the Chief Minister and his councils make has to be first approved by the Legislative Assembly. Fourth, the Legislative Assembly also approves the budget, that is, it decides how the government spends its money. Fifth, it authorizes and supervises all the work that the government does. That's all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.